Hello guys, today I'll show you how to chamfer or fillet the edge of the tool or rectangle or other tool or circle or anything. Like this example, see here. So cool, yeah. Example, I draw a rectangle for you. And then I push P to push it up. Okay. And then this here, the edge. Okay. So to fill our chamfer, click on here. Follow me. Click on this side and click on Alt surface. I'm sorry, again. Chamfer. Okay, and click Alt. Click on surface. The surface. See, it's filled. Or you don't want to fill just example. You want to fill at this side. You don't want to fill around. Control Z. Click on follow me here. Then you just make it around the rectangle. Click on here, so it just fill only this part. Yeah, that's cool. Again, if you want to fill around, just click here, click on this one, and click Alt, click surface. The surface. Okay, so it's round. It fillet. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.